Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Jibba's Kitchen. Today we're going to show you how to make a breadfruit beef curry. In Sri Lanka we call it del mas curry. So I'll show you the ingredients. 500 grams of breadfruit, which is del. Make sure you soak it in water, otherwise it can get discolored. 700 grams of beef with bone. 1 cup of thick coconut milk. Tamarind juice, curry leaves, pandan leaves, ginger garlic, 1 medium-sized tomato, coriander leaves, half a lime, 1 big onion, chili powder, cardamoms, turmeric powder, pepper powder, roasted curry powder and cumin powder. Also I'll be using coconut oil and salt. First we add the coconut oil, around 4 tablespoons. Once the oil is heated, we will add the curry leaves, pandan leaves and the ginger garlic. We'll add the cardamoms. Once these are getting fried, we will add the onions. We'll add a bit of salt. Half a teaspoon of turmeric. Now we add the tomatoes. And the tomatoes are getting cooked. We will add 2 teaspoons of roasted curry powder. Now we will add the beef to this. Now we'll close this and keep for 5 minutes in a low flame. We have kept the beef for 5 minutes. Now we mix it a bit. We will add 3 tablespoons of tamarind juice, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, one and a half teaspoons of pepper, half teaspoons of chili powder. We mix this well. Now we will add some water. Around 1.5 cups to a level that it covers the beef. Now we will cover this and cook it in a medium flame for about 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, now we have boiled the beef for 25 minutes. Now we will add the breadfruit to this. Once I add the breadfruit, I will add some salt around half a teaspoon salt. As I always say, salt is always as per taste. Now we cover this and boil it again for another 15 to 20 minutes. Now we have kept it for 20 minutes. You can see it's cooked well. So now I'll be adding 1 cup of thick coconut milk. Mix it. Now we will add half a lime. Finally, we will add some coriander leaves, which gives some good flavor. Just mix it a bit. Now you can see the breadfruit beef curry is ready.